And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. I've been waiting for this day for so long. The Helosaurus 6x6 is here at the house. We got a busy day, a hectic day. We're headed off to the dream house to pour in concrete today. Then Clayton's gonna wrap the truck bed on the Gladiator, but the Aventador Roadster, the exhaust, it's done, boys, it's done. There's just something so sweet and pure about a cold start Hellcat in the early morning. Wait for it, Did I mess it up? No, I didn't. Oh, come on, baby, come on. Work with me. Take two, come on. No, my voice just squeaked. All right, cut. Honestly, guys, the Helosaurus makes for the perfect daily driver other than the fact that we're averaging 5.7 miles to the gallon. I can't quite decide if I look ridiculously dumb or ridiculously cool getting out of the Gladiator. Either or, welcome to the house. Check this out, boys. We are pouring today. This is the real deal concrete. This is the good stuff, not the knockoff, straight from Geneva. So I got a late start this morning. I kind of slept in a little bit longer than we were planning to. They have now poured the back cave flooring. Obviously, car elevator right there. Oh goodness, that is satisfying. There's not like a ton to film today, but it's so cool. We're getting such a great visual. So next week we're doing the steel work and then the concrete slabs and then the back cave is encased. I know I promised the 6-wheel burnout to you guys. We're gonna do that very, very soon, but I wanna finish the Jeep before we break the Jeep. Not that we're gonna break the Jeep, but if we do break the Jeep, at least the Jeep was done before we broke it. Yeah. The C8 Corvette looks so amazing in the rapid blue. I just love that color so much. Also, we have amazing news. We're now averaging, count it, 6 miles to the gallon. We have arrived here to the inner vault of Agility Customs. Ladies and gentlemen, Clayton Stark in the flesh. As if I wasn't overcompensating enough. Baby, we're now averaging 5.9. Yeah, we gotta shut this off. And just like that, teamwork makes the dream work. Clayton with the muscle and Todd with the finesse. Goodness. All right, Clayton, we get it. This is incredibly embarrassing. This is my second take because the last one I couldn't speak English, but check it out. The purple vinyl has been laid here on the Gladiator bed. That looks so incredible. So on that bombshell, we're actually gonna hop in the C8. We're gonna go pick up the Aventador Roadster and we're gonna come back. I don't know exactly what it is about this feature, but it's just cool. I just realized I've never launched my C8 Corvette. Go. Oh, baby! Oh, goodness! Oh, I forgot the timer! This car is quick, though. She's no slouch. I just realized we have a slight minor change of plans. We gotta swap out the C8 Corvette for the Raptor because the OEM exhaust on the Aventador is a small monstrosity. All the time, every time. Center dome, baby, center dome. I thought there was gonna be a donk.
A donk?
Where is it? You said you were getting one.
Work that fast?
Bro!
A donk is a hard thing to shop for.
It's a donk
You're looking for quality. You're looking for wheel size. You're looking for smell. You need that musky donk smell. You know what I'm talking about?
You see, I don't actually want to donk myself. I just want to live out my donk fantasy vicariously through Stefan's donk. How many subs are you at? Are you almost at 100K? Guys, go subscribe to Stefan's channel at 100K. He's buying a donk. Do it for me. We need a donk. We got a Bentley Bentayga. How about that? When that truck was brand new truck, that's an SUV, that was 250 grand. You can pick up one for sub 100K. Stefan, stop drooling. We have the Bentayga in the side mirror, and check out the matte black Urus. Oh, that's got a wide body. What is that? Dude, that is money. Come back, Mansory Urus. No way. That is sick. That was a Mansory Urus. We just saw a Mansory Urus. There's one of those on eBay for like $569,000. Speaking of eBay, my auction ends in 2 hours. I'm honestly not kidding. The Mansory Urus, $479,000. And look, it has like a little wing. Look at that thing. The one we saw didn't have a wing, so it must have been like the knockoff spec, but $479,000. I don't know if it's worth it.
Okay, so you're building the bat cave in your basement, right?
Right,
like
correct.
The basement of your house with a car elevator and everything. You're essentially trying to be Batman.
Essentially, yeah, kind of, sort of, yeah.
And I'll be your Robin. So if you want to be Batman, that is the SUV that Batman would have. A wide body Urus. You need a wide body Urus.
I could be Batman.
Yeah.
I could.
And I could be your Robin.
Oh, there she is. The Rosa Cantus wide body with the new FI exhaust, but unfortunately we do have to pay for it, but thankfully, Stefan's gonna spot us. Look at this guy showing off the muscle.
Yeah.
My goodness, that's like titanium. Okay, now you're just flexing, bro. You can put it in the back of the truck. The OGs might remember the last Aventador OEM exhaust, we actually blew it up. Yeah, when I say blow it up, it really didn't blow up, but it was kind of sort of cool. Easy on the throttle, okay? Easy, fella.
Don't tell me that right now.
I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do.
Exhaust before.
Nobody. This is
first time
This is pre-production prototype #1. This is Judgment Day. All right, let's hear it, Stefan. I'm kind of nervous. Nobody's ever heard this exhaust. Like, we are hearing it for the very first time. Well, these guys heard it, but they don't count. Did you break it? Come on, let's do it. Why you baby? There's nothing quite like that. We're gonna try to get some flames. Come on, baby. I can't do it. I'm tapping out, bro. Bro, so loud. That is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. That sounds so crazy. What? It sounds so I go. What? The exhaust matches the car. Oh my gosh, it sounds so much different than the coupe. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, guys, I wish you could hear this car. You can feel it in your soul and in your heart. Oh my gosh, what have we done? What have we done? The Aventador is my favorite car in the world, and the best mods I've ever done are FI frequency intelligence exhausts. This car is night and day difference. It's so loud. Lamborghini fam, unite! Hello, I got nothing. I got nothing. He didn't even look at me. Go. I wish you could be here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know what else to say. Be still, my soul. Be still, my soul. Keep going, keep going. Oh. Not bad, eh? That's nuts. Not bad at all. There are beautiful moments in your life. There are beautiful things you witness in your life, but there's nothing more great or more beautiful than this that I'm witnessing right now. Raising Cane's is in Utah. Too good of a day. We got Raising Cane's, the FI exhaust on the Aventador Roadster, and check this out. All purple, looks so complete. So Clayton's doing the back and then the fenders, and then the Gladiator's like done. I mean, it's never really done because nothing's ever really done, but what's about to be done is this chicken. Well, boys, we are reaching the final moments of the auction. 13 minutes and 55 seconds left. The countdown has begun. If you want to buy the car, seize the moment because, well, you got 13 minutes. Oh, I don't even know how to say this. I don't even know where to begin. The item is no longer available. The Bugatti Veyron didn't sell, boys. I'm trying not to cry, Todd. It's just getting emotional. That's not the body language we need, Stefan. The Veyron did not sell. The item is no longer available. Clayton is hard at work on this fender arch, looking oh so prime. The Gladiator looks so money. So we're gonna head home for the day. The next time you see it, there's gonna be a slight alteration.
Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute. Is this guy working for once in his life?
I get stuff done.
Look at those skinny arms under there.
Get out of my fender.
Oh my gosh. He's protective about it too.
Well, hey, this is my moment. This is my stage.
Cow.
This is my audience.
You gotta make sure first time in a long time Clayton's had some help.
You see, it's on the legs.
Oh, the legs.
Yeah, been working the calves. Do what I can. If Todd would somehow get his backside out of the shot, you could actually see. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Todd. That is a 6x6. That is a 6x6. A little bit of twang right there. Check it out, fellas. The Gladiator Helosaurus 6x6 without a rear bumper and a driver fender. Regardless. Just want to point out the different sorts of technique that you see here on the channel. This is Clayton's technique. How you describe it? Yeah, no hands, look at that. Wow, embrace it.
I don't want to say it, but I think I'm the smartest one around.
That's one perspective. The exhaust tips look so crazy on this exhaust. They're in titanium with the Strad logo and the FI logo. When the Rosa Cantus hits the sunshine, it just doesn't get any better. That exhaust, it just like completes the car. I think by far and away, this and the Gladiator are the favorite projects I've ever been a part of. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Today is just crazy. It's like a 2-for-1 special. Oh my gosh, it's here, boys. It is finally here. Check that out. Next to the pink. What? What? Stefan, what?
Dude, it's crazy.
I just don't think it gets any better than this. Like, this combination is so money. Like the pink with the purple. Oh, this Gladiator, it just looks so amazing now that the back half is wrapped. Obviously, we're still missing the driver fender. Don't worry about it. We are so close to the finish line. My, oh my. Come on, Todd, step on it. Go, go, go. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Ow! 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 Oscar, you okay, bud? I know, your dad's loud. You gotta be real confident to drive a big Lambo around. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what confidence looks like. Overpass that was left untouched. He's hit every single one. He's like a kid in a go-kart.
I don't even know where to begin. I wish you guys could be here to hear this car in person. You can legit feel it in your chest, in your soul. The iconic thunderous boom clap of the 6.5 liter V12 Lamborghini Aventador. So the blue coupe also has an FI exhaust. It's the 5-door exhaust. It's the on-demand flamethrower, whereas this one's the full titanium F1 exhaust, and it sounds like a Formula 1 car. This is 001. Guys, if you got a cool car, you gotta check out FI exhaust. I'm gonna link them below. I want to go drive the car so bad right now, but my neighbors would not be quite pleased. But honestly, underpass after underpass all day long. What a day, like what a day. The FI exhaust on the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, the Gladiator 6x6 is getting so close to the finish line, and yet tomorrow, boys, tomorrow, childhood dream achievement has been unlocked. The car arrives tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. The gated V12 Lamborghini from Canada arrives tomorrow. I cannot believe it. But yet, of course, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.